UMLA but MDC Barim Ganongkrem constituency ba Lambor Malngiang haka khatlai terik jilio ulaple ki kamra class pathamai jong Salem High Secondary School kabaula pinyo na Chief Minister's Special Development Fund arjar arpusan habakren hakani kasngi ba Lambor Malngiang long ka Salem High Secondary School ka longkum ka benta jong ka ying ka sem jong u ka jingya jan nadu ki por ba minchwa hadu menta kadang beteng Uloong ru baka Pule Puthi kadai ka wei ni ki bedon kamtam ha kani ka chuk menta. Ulaya ru e ka sap ka pong bi ki khna school ki don la kadai ha karwai ka siaw ne ha ki wei pat ki sap. Ula kintu ka school ban ai ka jing tho ba unyo ban pha shu mintri rang ba ka jela konrat ki sangma ban mang pisa na ka benta ki jing don kam ha ka school ha ka liang ka put ka tem. Ula ban rap da ka paong ki kimi ki pa ki shanya e kani ka school na ka ta ka daw ki pha e ki hangni. Kani ke school kadon ye kata ke jingla jongka wat ban yenu jor bat ki school ki badon ha kanong ba Shillong. Ula ai ke jingero yo menteri rang ba ke jela ubala phai khamat bha shaka Pule Puthi bat persyang ban kentiru i ki sap ki khna Pule lingba kaput katem ka bola bha karpang. Uba Lambor ula kit bok kit riang ye baro ki khna ki bala sha pen kup buram ha ke sngi ki bala pass bha ye ki examen HSSLC bat SSLC. Hakini ke sengiu ba Lambor ulapan kup buram kerpang da ke lead Heli Maya Kharangi Special Award na ke benta ke topper na ke school Isha Hapi Nong Plu ha ke SSLC bat kumjuru ya barok ki kena ki bala pass bha bat yo distinction ha ke subject bapher.
Everyone, thank you so much, sir, and let us proceed into the hall.
We have a poetry subject. And I remember when the result was declared, myself and one of my close friends, they have declared us as failed students. I was in class 4, I remember, and other friends of mine, they have jumped to class 5. So what I did, I'm scared to go home because my parents will scold me. You naughty fellow, you're not studying well. So what do? I went home quietly and entered the room, and I locked the room. Then my parents came and knocked at the door. I was so scared when my father asked me, shouted at me, open the door. When I opened the door, I hold one book in my hand. And I remember I told my parents that if at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage will appear, for if you won't disappear, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. Yai persyang, si yai persyang. I'm saying this to, I think, one of the students who couldn't make it. Please try again. You'll succeed. Today is a day, 13th June 2026 will be a day that to be remembered forever. Because I've been here in many programs, but today's program is completely different. Very special. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to be part of your family. I'm here not as a chief guest. I don't agree. I'm here as one of your family members. Paralog Bayi Hangni Khubor. Itu token iba kawan hapo ka donut ka jonga. Have a sneak Friday. Ayu manle na kamta jompi. But ayu mopi students pilale ngamata yelade. Ayu pilale nagmenta ke school. Kaba mopi P1 kikme kikpa kishanya iya ke school. Kisapha iya pi bapinwan hapo ke school. Laga amdei ba kikme kikpa kinumshanya iya ke school. Kamot ke enrollment hapo ke school. Kanumpoi syadu ka hiruspa katsangot. But balay kisanya di school kadaw kadong ba kadon ka quality jongga. Laga kamday ba kamdon ka quality kamot ka quantity ru kadumdan. Day na marketan hagni ka por na sumabanong ba ki students kani kadam day kalanti ya jompi kaba pinhapan mat ya shipon ki jing penshoy haga jingim ko jompi kani kan sedang nang ni shikmat but ka eipat kaba mapi di banle kata kasyong happy. Lapi kwa kan kutno kajingyo iki awat tang hati kapor kabangi yadon bentalang matasi ne pikwa bapindang yo shushu ki awat hagi por ki bansawan. Kani ka jaga kani ka shanantan na benta jingim jompi nang le shakmat. Day na markata akwa kanong baki challenges pinha ban overcome yaki. Kata di gawin ka message na magkwa manay haga nagapor. Ngamla klamda panpaw ya kajingayo pan ya trina na magatin kong unity is strength. Kajing ya tali kalong Khubor. Kayen kani ka building kuni kaba mapi yoi ya kaba ladet bantay ya ka kamday kajingla tang jonga marway Henry kadai kajing pasyaw jong ke MC jong ke Salem Higher Secondary School ban pensuo siya ba ladalong kabala ki students ka ng buon so ba ladadad kunti panirap banyo ya ke school building nawanta jong no kamday nawanta jongki kamday nawanta jonga day nawanta jongki kabamut ba ki simya pi kung kihon mga nga simya pi kung kihon ngikwa ba pinsyong aga school ka bapaka kumba kajing hikay ka lang bapaka kayero kadibanong kumta kabay tinat ban pelat no slap kalir kajing ay kublay Siya menteri ramba do wat lada ngam sim ladan siya haka position kaba ngan pentulong ikikam kung unang nikmat jong kaniga konsusi ba iye
Gan Phang Khan Nhi. Thank you. Sequential order. Khubor, Jyoti G Moment, Khubor,